Hello again and welcome to Tips and Tricks for March 2023. This month we're going to learn how to set up priority levels for printing in Unform 10.1.
In this video, we're going to be showing off one of the newest features that is available in 10.1, and that is going to be priority levels for printing. So when jobs are submitted with the async option, they are going to go to the rpq directory. This is going to be groups of files, the input files, the command lines, any retries. So when files build up here, typically it's a FIFO scenario, first in, first out. Well, now you can control that. So how do you control that? There is a new control file called the rpq.ini file. So we'll go back to the root of the unform install for 10.1, and you will now find an rpq.ini. So go ahead and edit that in your text editor. You're going to find different sections in here. Your default section is just the size of the block that is read for that input file. So we're looking in the header area for certain words. So now what you're going to have are 3 different levels: high, medium, and low. High is going to be do this first. Medium is everything that is not specified as high or low. So this is the default. So you don't have to explicitly put things in the medium queue. And then low is if nothing else is in queue, do this. So this is your lowest priority. Now, what are some examples of how you would utilize this? Let's say you want all of your counter sale invoices to take priority. Let's say your pick tickets take priority. You just want to go into the high area and you want to make sure that you either have the explicit wording you're looking for in that initial block of text, or you can also use regular expressions. So you can start a regular expression with a tilde, and then you can continue to use the expression you're looking for. So in this case, I'm explicitly looking for counter ticket. And then in my low priority, we are going to look for aging report, or let's say anything with customer ABC123. So now we have a few different items here. Go ahead and save that, and that is ready for prime time. Now, more information can be found in the documentation. You can either go to 10.1 enhancements and look under the priority levels for printing and select the rpq.ini file hyperlink, or you can go straight to the configuration section in rpq configuration. That's going to give you some more detail on what you can do with those sections, as well as the different command line options. So the same thing here can be done in the command line with priority levels. So there is a priority option, priority 1, which is the same thing as priority high, and you've got a priority 3, which is the same as priority low. All right, and any additional questions, you can always contact us via support.
Thank you, Brian. My name is Dan Schmidt. If you have any suggestions or questions about tips and tricks, please email them to dans@synergetic-data.com. For Unform Tips and Tricks, thank you very much. Hope to see you next month.